Okay, more on the blizzard of 2010. We're going to venture outside. Someone was nice enough to clear off our sidewalk, but let me walk gingerly here. I don't know if you can see, but the path of the sidewalk, but the snow is like 3 feet. Yeah, about 3 feet high. There's a truck right there. You can barely see that. Okay. Oh, I've got to find Angel and Tracy between these cars. But I'm not sure where they are. Oh, there's Angel. Angel? Angel?
Well, I have my snow whistle.
Angel?
So if I get stuck, that's me.
Yes, Miss Ella, where are you? There you are. Hi.
50 years from now, you'll be like, who's that?
This is my car, this mound. Oh, there's the top of it. There's there's Tracy. Let's see if I can. Hold on, honey.
You're gonna try to zoom me in?
No, I'm gonna zoom you out so you can see the top of the car. Hold on, please come back. Walk this way, please, so we can see where the snow is at the sidewalk. Oh, well, that's because people have shoveled up there, but come to the right there. So he can't hold the shovel. But yeah, it's almost up to his knees, pretty much. We're trying to clean out the car, but I'm not sure why, because I don't think we can go anywhere. Let's go around to the neighbors. Back around the maze of snow. See if we can get around here. Oh, they don't have their shovel, so I have to walk through. All right, venturing out. Sorry for the wobbliness. It's very deep and hard for me to concentrate on walking and videotaping. Hello.
Hello.
I'm trying to make it through. I don't want to fall.
Right, that's...
Then where do we put all the snow, you know?
I know, that's the problem. I wish they would come and plow.
Oh, they haven't been through it all? Oh, wow.
I think only down there when the ambulance was down there.
Oh, the ambulance was down there earlier?
Yeah, somebody over there.
Oh, okay. Well, Grandma came to visit and she had to work.
Grandma came to visit. Well, I did not want to be, you know, locked up 4 days in my little apartment.
Yeah, I understand.
Instead, she came here where there's no heat.
And she probably has heat at her little apartment.
I wouldn't be surprised. Probably do.